Good morning. Revision of GK. Which animal is the biggest land animal? Yes, elephant is the biggest land animal. Which animal is called sheep of desert? Yes, camel is called sheep of desert. Very good. Which animal has a long neck? Yes, you are right. Giraffe has a long neck. Next one. Which animal has black and white stripes? Yes, zebra has black and white stripes. Well done. Next one. Which bird can talk like us? Yes, parrot can talk like us. Well done, children. Next one. Name the national bird of India. Yes, peacock is the national bird of India. Next one. Name an insect with colorful wings. Yes, butterfly is an insect with colorful wings. Which flower is our national flower? Yes, lotus is our national flower. Which vegetable looks like a flower? Yes, cauliflower looks like a flower. What is the taste of chili? Yes, the taste of chili is hot. Thank you, kids. Bye bye.